Oh yes, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Vitaliy Dubinin's Crypto Show. We are seeing so many bullish news all across the board, yet the altcoins are bleeding. We feel a lot of pain in the crypto. Bitcoin is dipping. What the hell is going on? What is happening in the show? We're going to stick to the end. I'm going to show you all the real reasons why Bitcoin and crypto is going down right now and why this may be your last big opportunity to accumulate while it is cheap before we go parabolic to another new level up. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a packed episode, packed show today because it is craziness what is going on in the crypto market right now. So let's fill you in. Basically, we see that right now, Eric Trump just confirmed that the US-based crypto projects will have zero capital gains. This is mega, absolutely bullish for crypto. If you are a project in the United States and you create it and you make money with it and you don't pay taxes on it, no capital gains, that encourages so much more innovation in the United States, right? For new projects. So this is mega bullish for the market. Why we're not seeing yet this in the market? $1.6 trillion Bank of America CEO says US banking industry will soon embrace crypto for payments. It is happening. Bank of America, it is happening. So much crazy bullishness. We have CZ, the founder of Binance, saying US strategic Bitcoin reserve pretty much confirmed after the Senator Cynthia Lummis is chairing the Senate Banking Subcommittee on Digital Assets. Basically, we have a lot more positive news that are happening in the crypto space that I'll share with you, but why we are seeing Bitcoin dumping. Let's take a look at what is going on right now in Bitcoin first of all. So we were at this level around 105, 106,000. We were basically chopping around this area of $105,000, not moving up, not moving down. All of a sudden, the volatility kicked in to the downside, and we currently, if you look at the TA, the technical analysis, we are testing this trend line of support. That right here, that was a trend line of resistance. We broke it here on 17th of January to the upside. We went to $108,000. We're chopping here and now back to retest this level. So fundamentally, nothing changed for Bitcoin. It's very bullish for Bitcoin. Technically, also, it's not so scary for Bitcoin. We are right on track. We are absolutely fine. But altcoins are getting decimated right now. I mean, look, Ethereum went down to $3,030 at this level of support yet again. So I expect Ethereum to hold here, but if it's not, then we can see some more nasty move toward the $2,700, which will completely destroy all the momentum on Ethereum that we started after Trump became the president. Okay, we're seeing across the board Solana minus 60%, XRP minus 7%. A lot of the altcoin, Pepe down 10%, being destroyed, destroyed right now. My favorite meme coin. But look at this. Fundamentally, what is going on? Why there is so much weakness right now? Why the altcoins are not pumping? Why Ethereum is not pumping? Ethereum Bitcoin chart is yet again retesting this support, this long 3-year support that until broken, this support level may prove to be what's holding Ethereum here, this level, to reverse the trend and outperform Bitcoin, right? Which is a pretty high probability bet that we're gonna see on Ethereum, especially as the company of Donald Trump is holding $160 million of Ethereum. But what the heck is going on right now in crypto? Well, this is what's happening. Chinese AI startup DeepSeek overtakes ChatGPT on Apple App Store, right? Now, what it has to do with Bitcoin and crypto, for God's sakes? Well, this AI startup with just like $5-6 million of training is performing as good as ChatGPT, if not better. And it's number one on Apple App Store in a very short period of time. And it's open source and it's free to use. So now the AI industry, ChatGPT, the Nvidia, which is the stock market, is taking a hit, right? We're seeing a little bit of dip in an S&P 500. Let's take a look at the Nvidia corporation on Nasdaq. Yeah, it's going down today. This is, I think, the largest company in the world today, even more than Apple, is going down today. This is because of this. And the stock market going down, Bitcoin also going down with it, right? You know, the correlation is quite high over there. Okay, so that is the reason why we're seeing the dump. At least one of the reasons why. Another one is this market makers, these exchanges, like Binance is the biggest exchange out there. So what they do is there is leverage. So people playing with leverage, they are borrowing money from the exchange to enter in the higher position than they have the capital for. Okay, and there is some levels. There is some liquidation levels that exchanges are very well aware about. Okay, and these exchanges are trying to get to these points, okay, where most of the leverage, most of the liquidation is getting grabbed. This is exactly what we're seeing right now. A lot of traders are getting liquidated, and then it's gonna get all the stable coins deployed and pump up crypto once again. Okay, that's how it goes. It happens pretty much 90% of the time. Binance usually wins, return later and flush all red and yellow lines to crush the leverage longs, and then continue going to the upside. Okay, so nothing new here. There was a lot of longs accumulation there that is just grabbing this liquidity. So that's another reason why crypto is down. Okay, but look how much positive things we have here for crypto. 0% capital gains tax on US based crypto. That's a very good thing. Russia-Ukraine war ending soon. Well, according to Donald Trump, let's see. Ethereum still down 35% from its 2021 high. Can you imagine that? How crazy it is. Bitcoin already long time ago surpassed the previous all-time high of 69,000. But Ethereum still not even touched the previous all-time high. BlackRock CEO is calling for 500 to 700,000 Bitcoin. Trump is planning to make the US as the leader of the crypto. US and China money to supply is going up. Global rate cuts, liquidity expansion. All of this is bullish for crypto. But we are not seeing altcoin season. We are not seeing this altcoins pump. Is it canceled? Let me share with you something very, very disturbing. You see, in 2013, 2014, there were only 500 tokens. Yeah. In 2017, 2018, 3,000 tokens. It's manageable. In 2021, 300,000 to 3 million tokens was much, much more tokens. Today, in 2025, 36.4 million tokens and expected to reach 100 million tokens. This is crazy dilution, right? Exchanging only listing memes to grab volume and grow their user base. Retail buys these memes and down 80% in a week and then quit. When everyone can launch a token with a click of a button, what do you expect? And when big exchanges prioritize listing of these memes rather than good projects, only people who make money is the developer of the token, who launched the token, the insiders, and exchanges, obviously. Only 1% of the buyers actually make money in this. So what does it tell you? We are oversaturated right now with tokens. There have been more and more and more tokens being printed all the time, right? So that's why we see the altcoin season delayed, because the market is confused. There's so many tokens happening, right? Trump is coming, grabbing liquidity, and and now everybody who bought Trump, not everybody, but most people who bought Trump are losing money. Let's take a look at some more positive things coming. Nasdaq files for in-kind redemption for BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETFs, allowing those who have the spot Bitcoin ETFs to actually allow them to exchange it for the real Bitcoin, right? If this goes through, it's very, very good for the market, because BlackRock will have to hold all of this Bitcoin, and for anyone holding spot ETF, they can redeem it for Bitcoin, right? We have Trump signing crypto executive orders, so that's very bullish, of course, for crypto. Here are the key details of Trump's new executive order: creation of strategic national digital asset stockpile to strengthen U.S. leadership in digital finance, development of a federal regulatory framework for digital assets, including stablecoin, by a new working group that is appointed, revocation of the previous administration digital asset policies to restore innovation and economic liberty. So all of this is great. Great news. We see Binance founder CZ says all governments should track all their spending on the blockchain and immutable public ledger. They should, and it can boost even more crypto adoption. Elon Musk is exploring blockchain use in US government efficiency push. We see Grayscale files for Solana ETF with New York Stock Exchange. So Sol ETF may be coming soon next. After Bitcoin ETF is launched, Ethereum ETF is launched. US securities regulator opens door for Wall Street banks to hold crypto. That's because they revoke the SAP 21, right? This is reported by Financial Times. SAP 121 being reversed opened the door for Wall Street banks to hold Bitcoin and crypto. It was like a ruling that prevented banks for holding crypto, holding Bitcoin. Now it is cancelled. So this is extremely bullish for crypto. I'm just saying, it's President Trump saying the United States will be the world capital of AI and crypto. It's bullish. An Ohio State representative introduced strategic Bitcoin reserve legislation. Want to pass it, right? Morgan Stanley CEO says the bank is working with regulators to offer crypto transaction. BlackRock wants SEC to rapidly approve tokenization of bonds, stocks. Can you imagine if every stock, every bond is going to be tokenized and sitting maybe on Ethereum blockchain? How much Ethereum blockchain is going to be worth if this is going to be the case? And they like Ethereum, as you know, also. And this is so bullish because it's trillions and trillions of dollars in the stocks and the bonds. Tokenize it and sitting on the blockchain is going to be incredible. And Michael Saylor is signaling that he's going to be purchasing once again Bitcoin, once again, right? Continue to accumulate their Bitcoin. So why we don't see crypto is pumping? 99% of the people for the first time who set up their wallet to buy the Trump meme coin, they bought it, they lost money on it, and that's it. Like not doing anything. It's like if it was the Olympics, the tourists are not doing anything else in the city before they leave. Basically 1% of GDP retention. So we have a mix of bullish news and a mix of bearish news, and that's what's happening right now. The bulls and the bears are yet again confronting each other, but I'm not worried for the long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. We are likely to print this higher low. So this is the this was been, you know, higher high, then this has been the low. It was higher, a lower high, lower low, higher high, and now this is a higher high, and now we may be printing the higher low. It's very likely. So this trend can continue like this, right? Going like this down, and then continue back up. Or if that is not gonna be playing out, if we're gonna break this level and revisit this level over here, this will be a very, very important level of support once again at $92,000. If that is not gonna hold, well, the next level will be 85, but it's too soon to see right now. We are expecting the bulls to do something quite rather sooner than later to defend these levels that we are right now, to defend these levels, to step in, to buy at these levels. Okay, that's what something that I would expect right now to happen, which is quite likely as the liquidity sweeps have already been happening, already been going on. So this is the craziness, you know, and in the crypto market. And if you want to earn residual passive income, there is a way to do it in the description of this video. You can find a strategy that I'm deploying that is bringing a stable 15% a month in residual income. This has to do with profit sharing from the transactional fees of the OTC desks, and this is something that has never been done before. So this is quite innovative approach to regular people around the world who are taking advantage of it and earning every single day. So you can find the description in this video. And if you want to trade this market, be careful. Don't use a lot of leverage. As you can see, the swings, the volatility can be quite high. So trade with spot, hold on to it. I know the portfolio is bleeding right now. If you are in spot, if you're in leverage trades, then even more so. Always use a stop loss, you know, trading with leverage if you are going to be trading with leverage. But for the most people, they will be fine just holding 80% of their money in Bitcoin, right? That's for the most people. But if you are like a you know, you want to make more money, more profits, you want to outperform the market, you know, then you're chiming into this altcoin, then you need to pay the price of volatility to the downside, and that is what's happening right now. We're going to see these flashes like we've seen over here when Bitcoin went from 108 to $92,000, pretty brutal. From 102 to $89,000, pretty brutal, and we recovered from that and went to new highs. But look at the dominance. The dominance is keeping higher. Yeah, so Bitcoin holders are the safest one. Bitcoin is king. And altcoin season is not coming yet. It is not coming yet, the altcoin season. What we can say? We can only say that it's gonna be some point in time that the market will turn around and we're gonna be altcoins will capture more market share. But right now, Bitcoin is in the spotlight. Bitcoin is stealing all the show, and a lot of money is flowing there to Bitcoin, and altcoins are getting decimated right now. And that is what I want to emphasize. Okay, these are the opportunities right now. You know, I personally deploying more capital at these points. I'm accumulating more. I'm buying more at these price points because we might not see these prices for a long time, or maybe ever. Who knows? Or for a very, very, very long time. It's highly likely. Okay, so we're sitting in a critical support for Ethereum right now at $3,075, and let's see how this day is gonna be closed and how much more pain we can endure together as a community in altcoins. So stay strong, hodl, And if something add more DCA, the winning strategy in crypto is DCA. You never can know outsmart the market, but you need to be in the market. Better to be in the market long term than try to time the market. You know, if you're trying to time the market, you're going to be stressed, right? You're going to be buying here and selling here. If you try to time the market, you'll be FOMOing, you'll be missing out, like, oh my god, I missed all of these gains. And then you deploy all of your capital, it will go down, you'll panic sell. That's why the retail interest right now is at the lowest point in 3 years. But I believe it's the quiet before the storm. It's the quiet before the storm. So we'll see. I wish you guys an amazing day, and I'll see you soon in the next episode of Today is in Crypto Show. Put it in the likes in the comments below. What do you think? How do you feel right now? And what is your strategy? What you're doing with your crypto portfolio right now? All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.